I am Paul Light. I teach the welding here at WRHS High School. My background is from the welding. I've been in the welding industry for 8 years. I've done anywhere from structural stuff to general fabrication, and I also worked on 2 NASCAR teams. I did the fabrication on the chassis, all the components on those. I did that for 3 years and won at all the national levels except for Xfinity and Cup in NASCAR. Classes, I have 2 classes of Welding 1. It's where we take the students that has not welded before. I teach them the basic principles of where to start and where you finish. We start with the 60-10 rods, welding rods, and we move up to MIG welding, TIG welding, eventually later on the semester. Teach them all the principles on how to light up an arc and how to finish it. My class is important because if we do not have a welder in the industry, then buildings don't get built, cars don't get built. All the stuff that's our necessary needs we need out in the world in everyday usage. If we don't have a welder, we don't have those sorts of things. The world doesn't revolve unless we have a welder building things. I really enjoy teaching, so I see what the kids can do from where they start to where they finish, and I like to see what they can do in their future, where they can take this class for 10 years from now. They might do some of the fabrication stuff, or they can be a big-time structural person in big companies.